Hi, my name is Gerchow, Chief Security Officer at Sumo Logic. Some of my roles and responsibility are working with a great team who handles audit and compliance, platform security, which is protecting customer data, as well as an automation team, which does DevSecOps, and then a federal function as well too. So Sumo Logic is a leader in continuous intelligence. We're a big data analytics company hosted 100% in the cloud. And our customer data is very sensitive. It can be anything from PHI to PII to IP, and we can't afford to be breached. I mean, if we get breached as a SaaS-based company, we could be out of business overnight. So there's no room for error at all when it comes to security. So we have to get out in front of emerging technology. So one of the things that we've noticed is that the emergence of Kubernetes and Docker and container stacks, a lot of people are waiting until it's in production. Well, by then, it's too late. So if you don't pay for it now, you're definitely going to pay for it later. So I think getting in front of security and embedding it and baking it in early on throughout the container stack and the CI/CD pipeline is mission critical. So when we start thinking about emerging technology like containers, we need a solution that, number one, could scale. Like, that's massive to us. We scale in, scale out, it's a complicated type infrastructure that we support. The second thing was having one place to go to for everything. And a great example of this is when it comes to compliance. We didn't want to scramble around to bring evidence of compliance to our auditors. We wanted to have everything in one location to make sure that policies were set, centralized, and then controls were adhered to in that one centralized location, instead of a solution where we had a bunch of different open source type things trying to pull everything together. So that chain of custody and evidence of compliance along with the scale and then writing in seamlessly with our CI/CD pipeline was absolutely critical to us, to our success. What made StackRox so attractive to Sumo Logic is the fact that, number one, it's deployed in Kubernetes. For us, we wanted a partner that drank their own champagne. If you're going to manage and secure and give you visibility into Kubernetes, you should be deployed in Kubernetes. The second thing is audit and compliance. So that's big for us. We're very highly regulated. Everything from ISO 27001, CSA STAR, PCI, HIPAA, the list goes on and on. It seems like it never ends. And so we wanted that evidence of compliance to be in one location and then to be able to centrally set policy, which was also critical to us. The last piece, and this is just scratching the surface, was vulnerability management. So to be able to tell that if a developer makes a call to Docker Hub and then tries to introduce software that's not validated and signed back into production, that was key for us. And along with the CVSS scoring, it was just a home run. So what StackRox really brought to us was a turnkey, low friction solution that added a ton of value and easily fit into our pipeline.